Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how can you download FlyBuys application into your Android phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Play Store application into your Android device. Then after that, go to the search tab and search for FlyBuys into here. Then after searching FlyBuys, this FlyBuys NZ application will appear. Just simply open this application, and after opening this application, you will get to see install button. Simply tap to install button and the application will successfully be installed depending on your internet connection speed. And you can easily download the FlyBuys into your mobile phone this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.